What?
Oh.
What if I catch this part?
Bell, say hi to the camera.
Oh, God. You guys suck.
No pressure.
Does it matter which way I do it?
Nope. Where did I come over here from? Oh.
What?
No,
Feed the audience.
Why?
We need the audience support.
Does it go in the hole too? The solder? Or just
No,
melt the
it'll
top?
slow. It'll slow.
Or just like melt and
Yep.
leak over it? Oh, God. You're doing the next one. You tell me. I don't want to touch this.
Well then, move it out more.
Pull the wire out more than
Yeah,
the
pull it out so
solder.
you don't burn your hand.
Well, I'm not touching it.
Well,
But
it's
it's
still
really hot.
that close. You're still gonna be hot.
I'm just saying, pull out the solder a little more, so that way your fingers are safe.
Oh, this?
Yes, because the heat will travel up that like nobody's business.
That looks blue.
No, that's fine. Oh. Self soldering for the first time. Chicken is there. Ooh.
What do I do? Oh.
Ouch, ouch.
I moved it. I hit it. Oh, it's not on the thing. Was that me? No. Never mind. Oh. It's not coming off. Oh.
To get hot. You have to hold it. It takes a few seconds.
Okay.
Tell when it works when all that smoke rises.
Is it? Can you hold that? Never mind. Yeah. Oh, it's stuck. Did I get it? Is it there? I don't know. I can't see anything. Oh, it's stuck. What do I do with the rest of this part? Oh.
You cut it off.
Nice.
Good job.
Give yourself a round of applause. Look at the camera and cheers.
I think I almost broke it.
Soldered.
Look.
I did it.
Your turn. So are you supposed to